Hey there, how's it going? My name is Jonathan. Today we're back with another video, and today I'm gonna explain and show you how to set up your own Facebook lead ad. Alright, how to set up and connect your Facebook leads, basically all the data that you're collecting from your leads, and to transfer that to your CRM. So traditionally, what advertisers will do is to run a Facebook ad, just a general Facebook ad. And the people who are clicking on this Facebook ad, basically, they're coming off to a landing page where the landing page will have a form where people can key in their information in exchange for a free trial, an offer, or a discount code of that sort, right? And there's the reason why landing pages are so good because they are highly converting, and the fact that the brand or whoever's advertising can provide additional information, media, additional videos about the brand such that people are convinced to sign up in exchange for their email address, right? So after this goes through, all this information will be pumped down to the brand's CRM, and it will immediately export it to the email list, basically. But now Facebook has launched a new Facebook lead type of campaign that they you can use for advertising, and I'm just going to show you here. So basically it's kind of the same thing, but the good thing about it is that there's no chance for the user to leave Facebook, right? Facebook wants people to spend more time on their platform, but it also provides a very convenient way of putting in leads and collecting leads very fast. This is because people don't have to go to a different page, a different website, and key in their information. In basically 3 clicks, all your personal information will be transferred from Facebook all the way to your CRM. So basically, it's the same thing where people are running ads on Facebook, and there's a Facebook lead type, right? So people will just immediately have see your advertisement and then click on subscribe, and then basically all the information that Google that Facebook already has, basically your email address, your first name, your last name, it will automatically transfer to the CRM. So you definitely have to connect your CRM through Facebook, and this is where I'm going to show you as well. So I'm just going to go on and move on to the Facebook's ads manager. So before even starting out running and setting up your Facebook leads ad campaign, what you need to do is come over to this site, and basically you need to accept the terms of service for Facebook leads. So it's a bit different from the normal Facebook ads. Alright, I'm just gonna be providing this URL over in the description below. So it's facebook.com/ads/leadgen/TOS, terms of service. Alright, so after accepting this for your Facebook ad account, you can go back into the Facebook Ads Manager, and then we can start setting up our ads. Alright, so I'll just go to create. So you're in your business profile, just go to business.facebook.com, go into your ads manager, and then you press the create ad button. Alright, so you are back in the Facebook Ads Manager and it's loaded up. So what you can do is just press lead generation, marketing objective right here. After you rename your ad, you just press continue. Alright, so I'm just gonna press set up my ad account because I have not set it up for this. But basically what you want to do is just select the leads marketing objective. I'm not going to go through anything that's related to targeting, so I'm just going to go straight to creating the ad. To see how to set up a Facebook ad, I have another video on that, which I will link at the back of this video. Alright, so what you want to do is at your left column right here, I'm not going to go through interest targeting or anything, so you just go basically go to your ad stage, where we're just going to design the lead ad that you're going to run. Alright, so you just basically scroll down, and the thing about it is that you can use your standard Facebook ad templates. So normally when you run a normal Facebook ad, you can show it where people so basically you can run and design your normal Facebook ad as per normal, right? It's just that it becomes a lead generation form when people click on the button, and so your ad copy and stuff just has to be suited for that. So I'm just going to go on to the how to design the lead form. So once you scroll down at the bottom of the page, you just press new form over here. Alright, so once it's loaded up, you can see here there are very different ways that you can customize your lead form. So number one would be having your form type, which is having either choosing more volume or higher intent. Higher intent would basically allow your user or the consumer on Facebook, right, after pressing your ad, will basically have the option to review his personal information such that he's able to verify that his information that he has keyed in is correct. So it may take the reason why there's more volume in this sense because there's just 3 clicks that the customer has to go through, whereas the higher intent has probably the fourth one, which probably has a 4th click, which has a review screen over here. So a person has to slide to submit all their personal information, and that may be a bit irritating to some people, and basically the conversion rate for the lead generation will be a bit lower for that. So what you can do here is have an intro. So anything up here after your ad copy is supposed to be put in here. So for example, if I was running, let's just give an example. If I was running and selling real estate, right? I'll just say, looking for a new home, question mark. Maybe put an emoji there or something. And you can use the image that was previously on your ad that was shown on the front ad that is shown, or you can use a separate image and then you just start typing whatever you want. Download our free PDF on homes near the San Francisco area by signing up with this ad, signing up with this form. Just key in your email address below. Alright, so this is basically your main ad copy that you want to put, and the thing about it is that you must always offer something of value to the customer first in exchange for an email. People won't give you their personal information for free, right? So you would, depends on your value ladder. You want to either give, for example, a discount to people, or you want to give them a free trial, you want to give them a free download, a digital download of some sort, something that is something that you can reproduce very, very easily at very, very low cost or little to no cost. Alright, so the next one would be having questions. So the questions parts would be qualifying your leads. So everyone who's coming in your funnel, everyone who's looking at your ads, they may potentially be clients, but if you want to further qualify your leads, you can add in several custom questions. So for example, as you can see here, you can add in questionnaires such that before they submit their personal information, you have already qualified them to which stage of the process that they are. So for example, if I was using the same example that I'm selling real estate, right? I want to qualify my leads in asking what type of homes are they looking for. For example, they want apartments, whether they want bungalows, whether they want condominiums, right? So there are many different options that you can put. Conditional is quite difficult in the sense that you need to program it in a CSV file, so I'm not going to go through that. So for example, short answer would be, are you already looking, so short answer probably would be asking somebody who's planning to buy real estate would be, are you planning to rent the property or buy the property, for example, right? A short answer could be that. And another example would be having a multiple choice, right? So I could ask, what type of property are you looking for? Right, so I'm just qualifying my leads. So for example, I just put in condo and I press enter. I put in maybe bungalow and then press enter, and then I put in apartment. Alright, so basically this will show up as a multiple choice question during your lead form before your customer even enters their lead information. Alright, so that is basically custom questions. Appointment scheduling would be more applicable to local businesses. For example, if I was running a dentist and I wanted to schedule an appointment, right, for teeth whitening, for example, right, I could literally give my preference of what type of times that I'm free, that I'm able to go to the clinic, for example. Yep. So these are all additional pieces of features that you can add into your lead form that are really useful if you want to qualify your leads. In terms of privacy policy wise, just submit your sample privacy policy from your website and just paste it into here. It really doesn't hurt. It's kind of like a trust factor as well. Alright, so review screen I've gone over, and the thank you screen would be so basically after they've submitted and said yes, I want in exchange for whatever that I'm giving as of value, this thank you screen will basically have the congratulatory message, etc., etc., and then you can maybe possibly upsell them on anything that you like to upsell them, as well as linking to the site that you may want them to go. For example, if I was giving them a discount code at this stage, right? If I put in discount code here, code 10, then I also maybe put also sent to your email, please check, for example, right? So if I was giving them a discount code, I definitely want to link to my website or certain products that I'm particularly selling already, such that they can click and go through and immediately go to the purchase. Alright, so that is basically it. After that, you can press save. After you press save, so there's error here, I'm not sure why. Later I'll just go. So after you've finished with setting all of this up, you can just press save. After pressing save, you can just close this form right here, and then you can move on and you can publish your ad right through the ads manager as per normal. Alright, the last thing that I would like to touch on would be how do you basically connect your CRM, your customer relationship client, right? How do you connect your email autoresponder to your Facebook business page when you're running ads? Okay, so from the business profile inside, you can come over to your Facebook page, and then you can come over to publishing tools at the top hand side over here. After you go into publishing tools, I'll just let it load. Alright, so that was quite a long load. After you're in your Facebook business page, you can come over here at the top side and you press publishing tools. After that, you can scroll down to the left hand side, and under lead ads form, you can have leads set up. So basically, you want to search your CRM provider. So for example, mine is MailChimp, and MailChimp is free, by the way. It's up to 2,000 subscribers free. So you may consider that if you're just starting out. But if you want to upgrade to something more comprehensive, then you may want to explore something else. So basically, you need to connect through Zapier. So Zapier is basically an app that will basically connect the two different applications such that they're able to communicate with one another, Facebook as well as MailChimp, or your email autoresponder, or your CRM, and they're able to transfer all the leads all the way from running your Facebook ads all the way to your list in your email marketing list. Alright, the problem with Zapier, right, is that it is a paid platform. So as you can see here, it's around $20 a month. As compared to, there's really no other alternative. The other alternative would be it's free, but it's very labor intensive and it may not be very productive in a sense. So maybe paying this $20 for Zapier may be a good solution. So basically, the free method would be after you have collected your Facebook ads, your leads in your Facebook ads. Basically, you take all of the data that you have collected, all your leads, and you export that as a CSV file, and then you bring it back into your CRM and upload that CSV file into your list. Right? It's very labor intensive, and not only that, you have to trigger the email autoresponder to respond to your basically the leads that are coming in. So for example, if your leads were promised that they were having this free trial or free download, and something will be sent to the email, right? That it's quite bad because they're not immediately receiving the emails that they were supposed to receive until you export the CSV file. So if you're running lead ads, you may definitely want to consider getting Zapier, such that this process is automated, and then you may not have to worry about it at all. Alright, so basically that's about it. After you connect your CRM to your Facebook page, your Facebook business page, then you're all set up, and then you're able to manage your leads. Everything will be automated from running your ads. Those leads and the information and the email addresses from those leads will automatically go to your CRM, and your email autoresponder that you've set up in your CRM will basically trigger all the emails that are supposed to be sent for the free trials, free discount codes, etc., etc. Alright, so that's just my tutorial on how to set up your Facebook leads ads. If you have any questions concerning this, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one.